Some people say the grass looks greener on the other side. As a gardener, I say the plants look greener after the rain. So why do the plants look greener after the rain? Hi everyone, Merly here and welcome back to my channel. We just got rain after over a month and I am so excited. My plants look a lot better now, and to celebrate our first rain after a long time of drought, I will talk about the benefits of rainwater. There's no water plants love better than rainwater. Rainwater is 100% soft water, free of salts, minerals, treatment chemicals, and pharmaceuticals that are found in municipal water, groundwater, the surface water. Rainwater is pure hydration. Rainwater is slightly acidic naturally. Gardeners know that most organically grown plants prefer soil levels between 5.5 and 6.5. This is on the acidic side of the neutral pH, and by nature's design, it is the exact pH range of rainwater. Rainwater contains nitrates, an important macronutrient. Rainwater contains nitrate, the most bioavailable form of nitrogen. Nitrogen is one of the three key macronutrients that plants need to thrive, necessary for the development of lush foliage. In many bagged fertilizers, you will find the label NPK, which means nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Rainwater that has been exposed to lightning is particularly beneficial. The benefits of rainwater exposed to lightning are higher levels of nitrogen and ammonium. These are transformed into available supplies of beneficial microbes, fungi, and bacteria for easy uptake by plant roots. So the next time it rains, don't forget to grab some buckets and collect some rainwater for your garden. With rainwater, the grass does not only look greener on the other side, but you will see that the grass and plants look a lot greener on your side. If you enjoyed this video, click like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you will never miss a video. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!